Hello everyone, this question is about factors. The line L has equation R equals, this is actually 1 minus 2 3 minus 1 1 2 times lambda, and the points A and B have position factors minus 2 2 minus 1 3 minus 1 1. Find a unit factor in the direction of L. So unit factor means the factor divided by the magnitude. So in the direction L, we have to use the line direction, which is minus 1 1 2. So that's the factor. To find the magnitude, we use square root of each component squared and we get this is 1 plus 1 plus 4, so 6 root 6. Okay, so we have this factor divided by root 6, or we can say 1 over root 6 times this factor, or if you want to multiply everything, we have minus 1 over root 6I plus 1 over root 6k plus 2 over root 6j. Alright, and 2 marks. Now the line M passes through points A and B. Find the factor equation of M. So if the line passes through A and B, we can use the point OA or OB and the direction AB or BA. So here we're using point A, which is 2 minus 2 2 minus 1, and for the factor AB, that would be B minus A. So the coordinates of B minus A, so 3 minus 2, we get 5, 1 minus 2, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3, and 1 minus 1 2. Okay, so that's how we find the factor AB. So that's it for 2 marks. Now determine whether L and M are parallel, intersect, or skew. So from the previous part, we know this is the line L, this is line M. To check whether the lines are parallel or not, just look at the direction factors. If they are parallel, we have this relationship: this direction must be some number times the other direction. So minus 1 1 2 must be something times 5 minus 3 2. Now since this is impossible, because if we multiply by minus 5 we get this, but if we have to multiply by minus 5, we're not going to get minus 3. So basically this factor is not a number times the other factor. Okay, so this is impossible. We say it's not parallel for sure. Now to find out whether the lines intersect or not. Intersect or not, we compare, or we solve the equation in two variables, the parameters lambda and mu. So analyze at the x component here. 1 minus lambda equals minus 2 plus 5 mu. That's the first equation from the x component. Okay, so intersect means they must be the same x coordinates at that point of intersection. And for the y, minus 2 plus lambda equals 2 minus 3 mu. So just use the first two equations, substitute or eliminate to find the lambda and the mu. So here we can add directly, cancel out. So we have only 1 plus minus 2, that's minus 1, and they cancel out here. 5 plus minus 3, that's 2. So we have mu equals minus 1/2. To find the lambda, just use one of the equations. You're using the top one here. Replace this mu with minus 1/2 and then solve for lambda. So use your calculator here. You get minus 9 over 2, and then minus 1 both sides, you get this, and multiply by minus, you get the lambda. So after you find the mu and the lambda, now we plug in to the third component. Here we have minus 3 plus 2 lambda, minus 3 plus 2 lambda, with the lambda being 11 over 2, and minus 1 plus 2 mu. Minus 1 plus 2 mu, the mu is minus 1 half. So use your calculator. You will get on the left you get 8, on the right you get minus 2. Of course they are not the same, so this means they do not intersect. Since they don't intersect and they're not parallel, they must be skew lines. Alright, that's it. I'll see you again next time.